Hello everyone, I will guide you today. How to register Boostlike247. Everyone go to website Boostlike247. Here, you can choose in the upper right corner to log in or register. When we select this, the screen will scroll down, and you can choose the language in the box. This bottom. So we can choose the language in this box. And to choose English, let's pick the right word. To choose English. That's when we got English. Then we can log in if we want, or we can register this. To register, people fill out this information for your information. Like this email. Full name. Phone number, password. And if there's a referral code, we'll fill it out. And we just need to register, then can log in.